Quiet air compressors are increasingly essential for indoor projects, late-night jobs, and noise-sensitive environments. This comparison analyzes 5 models that sit in a tight price band between $159.99 and $199.99 and emphasize low noise, oil-free operation, and portability. My evaluation considers noise profiles, pump type, oil-free versus oil-lubricated, tank size, rated air delivery, power source, weight, and other features. List number 1. Ultra Quiet Air Compressor. Limodot's 1-gallon oil-free unit is the budget-friendly option in this roundup, delivering 1 HP of power with a compact footprint and a 60 decibel noise level. It ships with a 25-foot PVC hose and an 11-piece air tool accessory kit, plus a 120 psi max operating pressure. The 1/4-inch quick connect fitting and automatic shutoff support a quick start workflow for light DIY tasks such as stapling and brad nailing, airbrushing, and basic tire inflation. The unit emphasizes low maintenance with an oil-free design and a faster refill cycle, claiming full refill in 40 seconds and a 15-second recovery, which is notable for its size. Performance and use cases. In practical terms, the Limodot LJ1100K targets DIYers and pros working on small projects where space, noise, and budget matter more than extreme CFM. With 2.4 CFM at 40 psi and 1.6 CFM at 90 psi, it can handle brad nail guns and small air tools for short bursts, as well as light airbrushing. Its induction motor running at 3240 RPM helps keep heat and noise down, but the trade-off is limited sustained air volume for continuous use on larger framing tasks. The compact size means you'll refill often if you push heavier tools for extended periods. Pros: very quiet at 60 decibels.
List number 2, California Air Tools CAT1P1060S Light. California Air Tools MT1P1060S is a 1-gallon oil-free unit engineered for ultra-quiet operation, 56 dBA, with a 0.6 HP motor and a long rotor life due to low RPM, 1680. The design emphasizes lightweight, approximately 29 pounds, and portability, with a 72-inch power cord and a straightforward 1-gallon tank capable of 1.2 CFM at 90 psi and 1.6 CFM at 40 psi. The pump is oil-free, reducing maintenance and ensuring cleaner air for tools like spray guns and airbrushes. The unit's chassis and fittings are purpose-built for quiet indoor use, making it a strong candidate for hobby shops and tight spaces. Performance and use cases. The CAT1P1060S excels in precision work and intermittent tool cycles, where noise is a critical constraint, such as indoor trim, upholstery, or spray finishing in a garage at night. With its 120 psi max, it can deliver consistent bursts to small air tools, nails, and inflators. However, the trade-off for ultra-quiet operation is modest air volume, so it's best suited for light-duty tasks rather than continuous heavy-duty nailing or full spray sessions. For mobility and ease of use,
List number 3. 10-gallon ultra-quiet air compressor with 2 quick couplers. Nexus 10-gallon unit pairs a 2 HP oil-free motor with a robust 8.76 CFM at 115 psi output and a 70 decibel noise target. The dual-cylinder, dual-tube intake design uses high-temp silicone and stainless braided mesh for durability, and the unit includes 2 quick couplers for simultaneous tool connections. With a 10-gallon tank and 115 psi service, it's positioned as a portable, more capable option for medium-duty tasks in small shops, auto shops, or garages where more sustained airflow is beneficial without stepping up to commercial equipment. Performance and use cases. The Nexus 70 decibel figure is still below many standard compressors, but higher than the 56 to 60 decibel category. It therefore suits environments that can tolerate a mild hum. The 8.76 CFM at 115 psi makes it viable for auto repair tasks, tire inflation, and mid-size nailers with shorter recovery demands between tool cycles. Its safety features, including overheating protection and auto restart around 70 psi, help maintain safe operation in warmer environments. The 10-gallon tank reduces frequent cycling, enabling longer sessions between top-offs.
Pros: 10-gallon capacity with solid 8.76 CFM at 115 psi. 2 quick coupler outlets for tandem tools.
List number 4. Quiet Air Compressor. Limodot's 5-gallon model sits as a mid-size alternative with a 1.2 HP motor and an oil-free, low-maintenance design. It delivers 2.8 CFM at 90 psi and 4 CFM at 40 psi, with a stated noise level of 68 decibels. The package includes an 11-piece accessory kit and a 25-foot hose, making it a practical all-around option for fast cleanup, stapling, brad nails, and light HVLP spray work in a home shop or small garage. The 120 psi max pressure allows enough headroom for multiple tools without constantly cycling. Performance and use cases. The 5-gallon tank offers a better balance between runtime and portability, reducing frequent top-ups for typical nailer tasks while remaining more portable than a larger 10-gallon model. The 68 decibel figure is comfortably quiet for most home environments, though not as quiet as 56 to 60 decibel units. Its 1.2 HP motor is sufficient for common finish and trim work, and the included accessories enhance immediate usability. Pros: 68 decibel quiet operation. 5-gallon tank provides a middle ground between runtime and portability. Adequate 120 psi for various tools. Includes 11-piece accessory kit and 25-foot hose.
List number 5. Air compressor. This 8-gallon Limodot model provides a blend of portability and capacity with an oil-free 1.2 HP motor. It achieves 2.5 CFM at 40 psi and 2.8 CFM at 90 psi with an 8-gallon tank and 120 psi max. At 68 decibels, it sits between the smaller 1 to 5-gallon Limodot units and Nexa's higher capacity option in terms of noise. The package emphasizes a practical balance for woodwork nailing, tire inflation, and shop cleanup, with a wheel-friendly portable design and a 25-foot hose included as standard. Performance and use cases. The 8-gallon configuration helps reduce cycling frequency for common nailers and smaller spray tasks, improving workflow efficiency without the bulk of a 10-gallon unit. The oil-free design reduces maintenance, while the 1.2 HP motor provides reliable performance for mid-range tasks. It's well suited for hobbyists who require longer sessions between fills but don't need the maximum CFM of a larger compressor. Pros: 68 decibels noise level for a mid-size unit. 8-gallon tank balances runtime and portability. Includes 25-foot hose and essential kit. Oil-free and low maintenance. Cons: not as quiet as sub-60 decibel machines. CFM at higher PSI is modest compared to some larger units. Not ideal for continuous high-demand tools.